Right, back with another video. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed and you're a returning viewer, please hit that subscribe button. Please like my videos. It's getting to a point now where I'm going to start pushing for subscribers because there's so many people that return and aren't subscribed that it's just a bit annoying, you know what I mean? It's like, just hit subscribe. Anyway, two reasons for this video today. Reason number one, installing the front camera with the Eonon head unit. Obviously I've done a video, I've got several videos through my back catalogue of the reverse camera. Front camera I have done before, but it was on a different head unit in a different car. It was in my partner's Mark 6 and it was a long time ago. So I'm going to do a quick overview of the wiring of that. And secondly, Netflix on the Eonon head unit. I'll run through why it doesn't work and how you can get it working. So let's start at the front of the car. Let me just pop my bonnet, turn my ignition off. Right, so front camera. I have this one here in my badge. I will put a link in the description. Now this works with the reverse camera. So when you come out of reverse, it will show the front view for 10 seconds. Or you can work it independently. If you work it independently, you will lose sound over whatever you're playing. So, how have I wired this in? First of all, I had to remove the front grille. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you pull it. It feels like it's stiff and it's stuck, but you just pull it and it will pop out. So that comes off. And obviously in the back of here, and if you can see, there's a bit of a mesh. So I had to cut a hole in this mesh to get the wire for the camera through. On the end of this is 2 plugs, one for the power and one for the RCA jack. So you feed those through. I had to put a little plate on the back of this so that it holds tight. There's a little disc, like a washer I've put on. Put that onto the wire and it's on the back. Then those wires are coming through behind the grill, up round here. This here is I've used as my ground point. So that's my ground. And then the red wire for the power runs up under here and you'll see it all here. Once you get up to, I've had to extend it. Now with mine, I have gone, because mine's convertible, I've had to go through the panel gaps, round behind this rubber and into here. Obviously if you've not got a convertible, which you probably haven't, what you need to do is lift this, and down in this bottom corner is the bonnet release grommet. There's a rubber grommet with the cable coming through it. If you get a barbecue skewer, wooden one, tape the end of your wire to the skewer. Oh, hang on, let's go back a step. You need to cut the RCA cable off the end of the wire to get it through the firewall. So cut it about, I don't know, what should we say, 2 foot away from the end that goes into the head unit. So you've cut that off. And you'll need to resolder it once you've got the other way. So you go down through this corner, there's a grommet for the bonnet release cable. With your skewer, wire taped onto it, push it through that grommet. That grommet will come out down up under here. Where your cable, obviously you've got this here, your cable's running up there. So it will come out down here and then just pull it through. And you need, hang on a minute, let me just think, you need the power cable, the red one, and the RCA, both pulled through here. RCA will go that way to the head unit, and the red power, what I have done in here is this. Now this top row, open that door a bit more. This top row of fuses are all ignition live. The rest of these are permanent live. So you want it on ignition live. So that's piggybacked through here. It's getting its power from here. That's the 5-1 is the original fuse that was in there, and then you need a second fuse for this cable that's coming out. So that goes into there. Let's put this back on. Then, to your head unit, on the back you've got your reverse wire, and then you've got AV in. So you plug it into the AV in RCA jack. Where's my keys? What have I just done with my keys? There's my keys. So, on the head unit, let's let it load up. So as it stands at the moment, I can open aux. There's my front view. If I go out of that and I go reverse, I have my reverse view, come out of reverse, front camera. Okay, that will hold for 10 seconds. Or you can go back into reverse if you're parking, it'll flick back to the reverse camera, back out, and it'll come to the front. So that'll hold for 10 seconds. Now to activate the front camera, you need to go into your settings, go to reverse, and you come down the list to a stern forward view. You see mine is set to 10 seconds. So you've got 10, 15, 20 or close. So if I go close now and go into reverse, come out of reverse, no front camera. Change that back to 10 seconds, reverse, back out of reverse, shows the front view. So that's how you set up the front camera. It's obviously only a quick overview. I've already installed it and I didn't do a video on it. So that's a quick overview. So on the settings, it's a stern forward view under reverse. On my other head unit, the pumpkin unit that I've got, you can actually set it for 4 seconds, 8 seconds, 12 seconds. On this, it's 10, 15, 20. So that is how you cover, how you do your front camera. It needs power, ground, and then your RCA coming through to the back of the head unit. Right, just going to pause you a moment. So yeah, if you've got any questions on that, then just ask me, but it's pretty simple. You just need, like say, the power, the ground, the power from the fuse box, top row of fuses. Mini fuse is the fuse on the top row. Right, next one. Netflix. I don't use Netflix on here, and if you ever get stopped by the police and you're driving along and you're watching Netflix, you're going to get in trouble. But Netflix. Right. A new version of application found. Do you want to update? Okay. Right. This app isn't compatible with your device. Okay. The reason this app isn't compatible with your device is because they don't use a genuine Netflix. It's side-loaded onto the head unit. They don't use genuine. So what you need to do, flick you around. What you need to do is uninstall. Just let that uninstall. That should now be gone from yeah, that's gone. Right, you want to go onto Google Chrome. So you're going to side load this back on one that's working. So Google Chrome, let's just get rid of that, get rid of that. New tab, Google. And then put in here Netflix space Netflix space APK. Search. First one, APK Pure. There's loads of different ones you get it from. APK Pure there's no issues on their site. I've used it before. Then you come down here, download APK, consent. You might get a few pop-ups while you're doing this. Download APK. Where is it? Down to here. Download. Might be harmful. Download anyway. You see at the top there, it's downloading. You can then open that file. Oh, I've done the wrong one. Oh, we want Netflix, not the APK. Let's just go back. Download APK. Get rid of the advert. Install APK file. Is that, which one's that one for? Does get a bit confusing on these. That one. I think it's this one down here. Download APK. Let's try that one. Download anyway. Slightly bigger file, so it's going to take a few more moments to download, so I'll just pause you. So, oh no. Download in progress. Why is that not? Should I have gone that way? Yeah. It's a lot easier on a phone than it is on here. Is that downloaded? Download APK. Open. Do you want to install the application? Install. Just let that install. Just pause you a moment. Right, app installed. Open. So there's my login. I'm not going to log into it because I don't want to. Login details obviously connected to your Google account, so they're there. If I come out of that, there you go. There is a working. Then you put in your details and it will open up. So yeah, APK Pure for the Netflix. Delete the old one that's on there already, and then just follow those instructions. Download it from APK Pure. Make sure you hit the right download one. But and that's how you download Netflix. So yeah, front camera, Netflix. See you all in the next video.